It's spring here in Oklahoma, and hopefully we're done with all the cold weather. But there's one blizzard that we're always anticipating in the garden, and that's this pearl bush cultivar blizzard. It's also sold under the trademark of Snow Day. You can see it's aptly named pearl bush because of the small white buds that it creates all over the plant. Now, it kind of blooms into these white flowers that remind me a little bit of a rose. And in fact, it is in the same plant family, Rosaceae. This shrub gets to be about 5 to 6 feet tall and also wide. And we have it planted here on the west side of our shade garden because it prefers part sun, part shade. It likes a slightly acidic soil, so it might be something that you consider planting with your azaleas or rhododendrons, but it's pretty well adapted to other soils as well. This shrub is hardy from zones 4 to 8, so we know that it will be able to handle even the coldest Oklahoma winter. Now, as you might have guessed, because of the early spring flowers on it, this shrub does bloom on old wood, which means you don't want to prune it until after it's finished blooming. Once it is finished blooming, it graciously takes a back seat to the rest of the landscape with its just lovely green foliage. This is one blizzard that I hope you do get to experience in your garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.